Yes! Hey guys, Thunder E here. I'm back with another battle vid for you. Now this time, it's between the Hifiman Deva, which is what I'm wearing now, versus the Sony WH-1000 Mark IIIs. Now, if you guys remember, the Mark IIIs I consider my best over-the-ear wireless headphones, and those things are truly unique and superb. It's got active noise cancellation, you've got a built-in mic. There are a few things it does well here and there, and also has an app that really gives you a great resource to use the noise canceling, audio cues, improve your music, all that fun stuff. But how do the Devas actually compare? Now, if you do not know who Hifiman is, they make some really premium headphones. They do a lot of audiophile headphones. Pricing starts like $500 up. Probably their cheapest and really great pair of headphones are the Sultra, which is what these are based off. Now, these are planar magnetic headphones. What that means is that these are, first of all, open back headphones, which means you can hear your surroundings. But you've got some really nice, cool drivers that are really thin and uses magnets to basically amplify the sound through it. So the drivers are super nano diaphragm drivers, really thin, 80% thinner than what they had before, giving you some really surreal sound. But what makes this different? Why is this something we care about? We know, yes, they make premium headphones. It's because this is the first time Hifiman, or even a company like this, has come down with audiophile quality headphones with Bluetooth connectivity. And this is done with a Bluetooth dongle. So in comparison to the Sonys, you do need a Bluetooth dongle that comes with it to connect. But that's not the only way you can use your headphones. You can also use it directly with a 3.5mm jack, or you can connect the dongle right here to the smartphone, to your headphones, and then use the USB connector to connect to your smartphone as well, or also to a PC. Now, what's cool about that Bluetooth dongle is not just a Bluetooth connector. It's got a built-in DAC and an amp, so it amplifies the sound, and the digital audio conversion is just superb to give you some really clean sound. Plus, there's a built-in microphone as well, so adding the whole option for voice connectivity. Now, in terms of actually voice calls, I actually give it to the Hifiman Deva over the Sonys. I think they do a much better job than what Sony did last year, but again, really solid offering. Now, what does that Bluetooth DAC really do for you, and what kind of sound does it produce? It is truly unique. What I like about the Hifiman Deva is that when you pick them up and you basically plug it in, you hit the power button, it turns on, it automatically can sync quickly to your smartphone. You put these on, you can hear the world around you, but then you get into this, you press play, and then you get this immersed, rich sound. Those planar magnetic drivers do a fantastic job of just making things feel so rich. I mean, the highs are great, the lows are fantastic. The mids are where it falters a little bit for me, and I'm grading this above what you usually get. I think in the terms of audio and sound quality while you're listening to music, nothing in the consumer range at $300 compares to what Hifiman has done. I'll put it again. There is nothing at a $300 price range that sounds better than these on your ears. They are absolutely amazing. And it's a great experience because even though there's no active noise cancellation and you're, say, outside and you're listening to music, it's so crisp, it's so clear. It's a great experience. Now, the dongle here supports LDAC, aptX HD, aptX, SBC, high resolution codecs as well. So you've got all the codecs you need to listen to high res audio. And I suggest get Tidal or get the highest quality possible you can listen to on Spotify to really enjoy these headphones and use them to the best of the ability there. It is such a great listening experience. I can't understate that there. Now, where it fails in comparison to the Sony is the fact that, yes, this doesn't have active noise cancellation. So if you jump on a train or you're on a plane, it's going to be a hard listening experience because, again, these are open back headphones. The other thing about it too is that when it comes to battery life, you've got a shorter battery life. So it's 7 to 10 hours using, of course, the Bluetooth Mini to connect to your smartphone, as opposed to over 24 hours with Sony, where you're getting a much longer battery life. Now, some will also argue that Sony has a really in-depth app. And I love the app that Sony has, especially with the EQs to help customize, and it helps improve the listening experience. This doesn't have an app at all to do any of that. But I have to tell you, without the app, in terms of listening to music, the music experience is just, it is so sublime. You will love wearing these and listening to music. And you will love the fact that if you're walking around a home, or you're in an office, or you're talking to people, or you're even gaming, like the experience listening to this in gaming is phenomenal. Everything sounds so rich. The gunshots, the sounds. It's a very fulfilling audio experience, is the best way I'll put it. Now, for me personally, if I had to pick one of the two, I would go with the Hifiman for my pure listening experience. Nothing comes close to it in this price range. While the Sonys, for my travel experience, they take the mark, because it's got really good audio, but of course with active noise cancellation and a bunch of features. The Hifiman Deva just truly excels. Oh my God. I'm gushing over this thing, trust me guys. I guarantee you pick these up, you will absolutely love this. I have not been this excited for a pair of headphones for quite a while, and I'm happy that these are on here. And I love the fact that I can put these out of my ears and I don't get, of course, any noise ring or anything like that. But it's a great experience. It's something you will love. It's something you enjoy, the experience of listening to music the way it's supposed to sound, especially via Bluetooth. So if you have any questions, any comments about the Hifiman Deva, I know I've just kind of rambled for a minute about how good these headphones are. There's nothing more I can say other than the fact they're good. What I would like to change, of course, is the color of the dongle. I wish it was silver, matching the headphones as opposed to black. Some people don't like the color scheme. I do like it. I like the kind of tan leather look with the silver. I think that works out well, but I'm sure there will be other colors in the future. But if you want to pick them up, guys, use the link down below. You will not regret this. If you do pick them up, let me know what you think. I want to hear your thoughts. This is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.